In the last class, we have discussed the origin of the word homophone. Now, again, let us try to find a deeper meaning of the word homophone. The root, phone, it means sound, as it does in telephone and phonics. And we already know that homo means same. Since this is a word that is derived from the original Greek homo, same, and phone, that is voice or utterance. So homophones are words that sound the same, such as dough, a deer, a female deer, and dough that you bake into bread. D-O-E, dough, and D-O-U-G-H, dough, this sounds same, but they are spelled differently and they have different meanings. So this is the basic meaning of homophone, that has the same pronunciation. Next, we will try to understand what is homographs. Graph means write, just as it does in autograph and telegraph. So homographs are words that are written in the same, that is, words that have the same spelling. For example, there is the verb tears, as in the sentence, Raj tears the ticket in two. And the noun tears, meaning the salty drops of water that comes out of your eyes, that run down your cheek when you watch the movie Inside Out. So this is only an example. So what I'm trying to make you understand is that see, the spellings are same, but they belong to two different parts of speech. Tearing, when you tear something, make it into two pieces or into different pieces. Like you tear a piece of paper, and when you cry, tears come out of your eyes. So both the tears, we write it in the same way, in the same spelling, but they carry two different meanings. So these words which have the same spelling, they are called homographs. Now we will try to understand homonyms. The onym, which is the root word, means name, same name. You also hear it in anonymous, which literally means without a name. And of course, in the words synonym, onym, you get the word in synonym and antonym. Homonyms are words that have the same name. In other words, they sound the same and they are spelled the same. If we go back and try to remember what we learned in homophones. Homophones were pronounced same, but they had different spellings. Homographs had same spelling. And now homonyms, they sound the same, and also they are spelled the same. For example, pen, meaning the writing instrument. We write with a pen. And pen can also mean an enclosure for an animal. So both this pen, the pen with which we write an instrument, and the pen that is a house for an animal, they are homonyms. They have the same pronunciation and they have the same spelling. To put it another way, we can say homonyms are both homophones and homographs.